career student from Sri Sairam Engineering College. I am studying third year EC. First of all, I am interested in networking and Linux administration side. I wanted to do a course on Linux. I have came to know about the RSCSA course in Advantage Pro through my college. And my trainer name is Mr. Madan Prasad, and he took the course throughout this whole session, and he made it very lively and interactive. And the course was very interesting. The way of teaching by him is very excellent and wonderful.